What up, condos?
It is move day.
Woohoo!
Thank the Lord. We're just cleaning up our bedroom.
There's a lot to do though.
There's a lot of stuff to do. We're gonna go pick the keys up at 9 AM, so that's actually in 15 minutes.
So we're moving slowly everything across, but we're doing all the big things today.
Yes,
and then we're gonna take you through and do like each room and like design it really nicely. So you can see all the, I've got some awesome furniture coming that I'm actually gonna finalize and order by tomorrow. I just wanted to look at the space one more time. So the only thing we're keeping from our old furniture is like our dining table.
Yeah, because our dining table was
and like the bedroom suite.
Expensive dining table.
Yeah, it was very expensive.
Yes, my brother-in-law Jono is coming to help us move everything. He's got a big trailer, but stay tuned. We're going to
do the empty house tour in this video. So we're not going to show you us moving because that's not very fun, but we're just going to do the tour. So we're just doing an empty house tour today, and then as we design each space and each room, we will take you through it in our vlogs. Yes. Including Georgie's room, which I'm so excited to do.
So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Let's do the tour. This is a really bad light. Come this way. So we're gonna spin her. Guys,
we have just arrived in front of our house.
We're directly.
Wait, we're trying to find a nice light. Oh, this will do.
And Penny's there.
Penelope.
We took Penelope with us.
So this is it, guys. We're going to show you the front of our little home.
It has a white picket fence, which I'm so happy about.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3. Go. And this is...
Higher.
This is it.
This is it.
This is it.
Cottage.
Oh my God. Here we go. Let's take a look around. And Penny's. Look, it's really cute. We're just trying not to show you guys the numbers because
privacy.
You know, privacy is a thing. We've got a little front yard. How cute!
I'm helping Penny.
Oh my God! Can you see it? And we're going in.
Up, Penny.
Go. So it's only 2-story, and this is it.
Kitchen.
This is the kitchen here. It's actually quite nice.
Yes, so it's all marble finishes. We have a gas top stove. Look how big this pantry is though. This is so good for like a mum with a kid. And look, you could even put a microwave in there, but I'm against microwaves. But they do. Yeah, I don't like them. Yeah. But maybe for heat packs and stuff, like we can put in there.
Nice gas top.
Cute little oven.
We don't have a double fridge, but this is, I'm pretty sure that's double fridge size.
That's okay. But I know it's really cold. But let's open this up.
I love it.
I know it's cold, but look how
I actually love it.
When you're entertaining. Yeah. So when you're entertaining, open these two up. So we're gonna have like our couch here, TV there, our dining table's going over there. Take them outside for a second. This is, I think we're gonna have like a really cool dining area. I have like a really good idea for this section. So where the kitchen is, and then I want like a lounge on that side. And then
so we're gonna have dining and lounge out here.
Yeah, well it's big enough, it's quite big. So I reckon a cool 4-seater, because like why would we ever have more people? Like I mean, if you do have more people, you can just set up more tables.
Just a big 4-seater here and then a couch.
Yeah, I'm thinking like a high one, I don't know. And then just like a really like cool lounge area.
And Georgie's gonna play here. We're gonna play soccer.
You're taking off those shoes before we take them upstairs.
What?
Yes. Okay. So then
I love my little garden.
we have great storage under this like steps.
Oh.
It actually goes all the way around.
Is there a light in here?
Like it's actually really good storage. We can play hide and seek with Georgie over here. It's actually really, it's like another room. It's good storage.
We've got a little
bathroom downstairs.
Tiny toilet in here. But it's really cute.
Wait, get the mirror, like do it nicely.
I'm getting the mirror.
Okay, that's the little powder room. And then we'll show you the garage real quick. And, oh, I'm going to show you the pool area when we're done.
Got a big double garage.
So this is the garage, which is really good.
Yes.
For my friends, this is so good. And for babies, like, because I can just come down here and do it. Alright, so now Nick's going to take off his shoes and we're going to go upstairs.
What? Are you going to be a Nazi with this? Seriously?
Yes, look at how light the carpet is. Are you kidding? Shoes off. Pause it. Shoes off. Off.
It takes so long to take these off. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so we're going to show them like what each room's for. Should we go into our room last maybe? Show them the staircase?
Wait, well, laundry right up here. There's a laundry upstairs, which I think is pretty cool. I like the laundry up here.
I like it.
Goes there.
Well, we have Georgie next.
There's storage in here.
More storage.
This is really good.
Okay.
You can close this door too.
Yeah. So that's the laundry.
So you just close that. And we're sweet.
This is the spare bathroom upstairs.
I love this bathroom.
So this is Georgie's bathroom. Look at how big his shower is. He's such a little boy. Toilet, and then we have a bath. This was really important.
This is probably the one thing we were trying to look for when we were looking for a new place, is somewhere that had a really nice bathtub. But a lot of these townhouses don't have bathtubs, and it was really annoying.
And look at this. I love this sink. The water just runs down.
It's cool.
It's cool. Like, that's cool. Look at it. That's sick. Alright. So this is going to be Georgie's nursery.
This is Georgie's room.
Do you think they could have cleaned the windows a little more for us? So this is Georgie's room. So,
Georgie's room, blinds, we can put the blinds down.
So we're going to show you like what we're going to do with it, but I have some really cool ideas for his nursery. This is cupboard, so it's great space. People love space. No, this is perfect. Like, he's not going to even use all this.
No, we've got heaps of room there.
And then the room to the left is...
Oh, more storage,
hang on. More storage. We love storage. It's like a little linen cupboard.
Another room.
So
what's this room going to be?
Like an office, like a spare room office. This is like kind of Nick's spare room.
Is it?
Well, yeah.
Well, this is what my name on it.
Well, yeah.
I didn't know that. I was allocated a room. There you go.
Yeah. So that's like another cupboard. The cupboards are all the same, I think. Yeah.
Next.
So then this is going to be like my makeup room / like YouTube room. So like where we film a lot of our videos, you can put all our like props and stuff here. And then this is going to be my spare
I think
cupboard.
we're using this as a YouTube room because it's got great lighting coming from out there.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
You can tell straight away that the lighting's great.
Yeah, it's way better than over there.
Yeah, I know. So Georgie's down there. And then this is our room.
Yes. Lovely.
So I think I want my bed this way though.
I like our little view.
It's cute. With the rock.
And
this is our walk-in wardrobe.
We have a walk-in. Can you believe it?
And then this
Nice
is our
big
bathroom. So it's a nice big shower, toilet. And then guys, look, the super cool sink again with the double.
We've got 2 basins, thank you God.
And I'm just obsessed with this sink, how it like goes down. I think it's so epic.
So good.
But there's so much storage, like there's so
It's dark in there.
Yeah, it's like a
I like that. They've actually done a really good job here.
Well, look at all the storage. Like, I don't think we're gonna. This is really big for us. Like a 4-bedroom, 3 toilet, and 2 shower, 1 bath. Like, so 3 bathrooms. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good.
It's really
for like us. And
We
we're
love
gonna
it.
use all the spaces because of like we work from home, and so it's really good. I think so that's like the little, and then we have Penny here on the steps. Hello. This is the
Probably
staircase,
just
and
we're gonna come home and Penny's just gonna be sitting on the
gonna be
stairs.
waiting for you. So what's really good about these stairs is that they're like full stairs. A lot of the new townhouses, they have holes through them, and I was really scared for a little kid. Like, I don't know, he could fall through. We're gonna have to get a barrier when he's like kind of crawling.
Yeah.
So he doesn't just roll down. But it's carpet, so it's, you know.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. And if he hits the bottom, it won't be that painful, surely. Sound like the worst parents. That's it. That's our house tour.
I love the outside. Look at that. It's so nice. Okay, we're going to show you the... What are we showing them? The pool.
The pool area. Yes. So excited.
Oh, yeah, Penelope's going to use that all the time.
Should we do like a little like slow thing, you know? Like when they do tours, like the slow music.
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, then should we'll add a slideshow of photos of the place? Like, you know how they do that?
I don't know, do they?
Yeah, they do.
Oh.
Alright,
Okay guys, we're taking you to the pool area.
And
There's a
we're
little
trying
like little
to pay for the
lawn.
first- Have you seen the pool?
Yeah, you've seen the pool.
Yeah.
It's about at night.
I only seen it at night.
So this is the first time she saw the inside of the house. We have parking here. We don't need to show people that.
No, you guys don't care about parking. Unless,
Yeah,
you, want
they
to,
want to
unless you want to come visit.
No, don't come visit. That's good. This is going to be cute. Maybe flip the camera out and show the walk to the pool.
Oh yeah, have a look. Here we
So this is going to be
go.
like a short vlog, 'cause it's like a little tour. Oh, we got to show them the front where it's like got the steps and the palm tree. Like it's really cute. You know those steps down there?
What's that?
I'll show you. It's like a resort.
So here is
The yoga lawn.
the yoga lawn.
This is the yoga lawn. That's what I said when Penelope and Lorenzo came. I was like, this is the, and we have lemons. Look at the the lemons are growing.
These are all little lemon trees.
So Georgie's gonna do yoga with
Lemon
me.
trees, and I gotta be careful because there's people in there and they think I'm filming them.
No, but go close up to the lemon. This one in here.
Everyone,
Reminds me of my video.
everyone
of
knows
my
what a
lemon
lemon.
grease.
Look at the lemon.
Yes, okay, everyone
We have
can see
lemons.
it's a lemon.
We have lemons. This is a sitting area.
How cute is this?
This is just where me and Georgie are gonna hang out during the week while you're working.
How cool is this, man? And that's our pool.
Go in.
Come on, come on, come on, love. Dude,
How cute is it?
it's actually really nice.
Those guys have really nice plants. Do you reckon we're gonna have like Christmas parties with our neighbors?
Oh,
Oh, the sun's nice.
Oh, how nice is this?
and
We'll
this
probably
is,
take a dip when it's a little bit warmer. It's a little bit.
yeah, it's like
just
10
gonna
degrees
sit
right now,
Penny
so we're
and
not
Lorenzo here.
jumping in.
Yeah, we'll just come with you guys.
And this is our pool. How freaking awesome. Sun is blaring. Yeah.
And that's like our tour.
Guys, we are done. It is actually the next day. Yesterday was completely insane. We ran out of time. We didn't realize how much work was actually involved in moving everything we had. Saph's crashed on the couch outside. This is our empty room that we just moved from, doing some final touches. Sorry for everyone who was waiting yesterday for the vlog. It didn't come out, but it's out now. We hope you love it. Hope you love our new home. We'll obviously show you bits and pieces throughout the next few weeks and months until Georgie's born, as we fill up the place. But we're moved out. We're on our own, and it's the best feeling ever. Wrapping this up, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow, probably.